Hello children, today before starting the new chapter, let's have some fun time. Fun time means musty time. So you are ready for some musty? You want to do some musty today before starting? Okay. So whatever I will tell you, you have to do that. Okay? You want to do musty today? Little bit of musty? Okay, so today we will have a fun time, musty time. Okay, so everyone first stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, jump up high. See how he's jumping? Jump, 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 jump. Sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Stop. Now dance. See how she's dancing? Dance like her. See how she's dancing? Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Sit down. Laugh. You know how to laugh? Laugh like how she's laughing. Laugh. Laugh everyone. Laugh. Stop. Stand up. Dance. See how she's dancing? Dance like this. Yeah. Dance. Dance. Okay, stop. Jog in your place. In one place, stand up and jog. You will not run here and there. Jog in one place. Okay, jog. Stop. Sit down. Now children, you are tired. Yes, so relax. Now children, you know this virus is going on. So to keep yourself healthy, you should do some exercise. Daily for 10-15 minutes, you should do exercise at home. Okay, so first what you will do? You will do jumping jacks. Can you see how he is doing jumping jacks? So you have to do jumping jacks for 5 minutes. You can do jumping jacks. Then you can do jog. See, in your place only you have to jog. How she is jogging? She is not running here and there. She is in one place only. She is jog. Okay, jog in one place for 5 minutes. You will jog. Then you can do squats. What is this? This is squats. Stand straight, and then you have to keep your hands also straight, and then you have to just go down little bit and stand up. Down, stand up. Down, stand up. You can see how she is doing squats. This is called squats. And then you can jump. See how she is jumping. So high she is jumping. So all these exercise you should do at home for 10-15 minutes. Okay. So today we had fun time. Okay.